Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in my previous video, I did mention that the market is trading near its crucial level. If we are not going to see any sort of recovery from this particular level, market can go down significantly. And since the technical indicators and option chart data were suggesting on a downside, there is a bearish crossover as well. We are expecting that the market should go down. However, we have not created any particular position because there was uncertainty prevailing because of various mismatches as far as the technical indicators are concerned. But we have not covered our position which we have initiated in the beginning of this month, which is shorting of 10,500 put. It is definitely making us a good money, and now with every passage of time decay will work in our favor, and we are only going to make money. So if you analyze broadly the option activity range for the Nifty, it is 10,700 to 11,000. Call chart data is suggesting a sort of bullish kind of position move. However, the change in open interest is not that much significant. But if you see the put data is suggesting that there is a good sort of support near the lower level, precisely the level of 10,800 has now seen a put writing indicating that the market participants are expecting a stable to up move from here. Now on a higher side, 10,850 to 11,000 put long is now getting covered. So all in all, though there is an indication of a stable to bullish kind of formation in the market, the volume is not that much. Now if you analyze the technical indicators, you will still observe that the MACD is, though trading below its exponential average, is trading near its support zone. From this particular level, if you just trace back the previous price movement that the market has received, you will see that this particular level got tested, and then market saw a good rally. So the same indications I was expecting, because since this market has closed below 21 days exponential moving average, I was expecting that there could be a down move and 55 days exponential moving average could be tested, and then we could see a good rally. But since the market has seen an early recovery, there could be a chances that the market could go high, and in this particular series only we are going to see the breach of 10,890 kind of level. But for this to happen, market first needs to trade about 10,830, then only a decisive move on an upside can be predicted. As of now, market is giving us a mixed signal, because 8 days exponential moving average is yet not breached. There is a bearish crossover in the market. Technical indicators are also stalling near the exponential average line. So there will be the move will be undecided, because there is no clear indication as to which side market should move. There is a bearish crossover, so definitely any upside could be sold into further this particular level, which is around let me just mark the chart. 10,780 is a strong resistance for the market, but because if you just trace the prices in the backwards, you will see that four times on this particular level the prices has came down from this particular level. So that could also be the strong resistance for the market. For the immediate prediction, I would suggest that let the market close above 10,780, and then only we can decide any particular move. Rest assured, if I am taking any position, I will be definitely updating it to you, to my WhatsApp and Telegram subscriber. As of now, the technical indicators are struggling near their exponential average, so we need to wait and watch for the market to trade on any decisive sides. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So we'll first talk about option activity range for the market. So 26,000 to 27,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. If you analyze the uh, call data, you will see that 26,800 to 27,000 has seen fresh creation of bullish position on a short side, on a lower side. 26,000 to 26,700 call short is getting covered now. However, there is not much change in terms of significant change in percentage, but what I feel is this particular move is enough, and the market should be trading on a high side only. Now the put chart data reveals entirely different picture, because we have seen a throughout good put writing in all the strike prices. The maximum change in interest, open interest, has happened at the level of 26,400. So definitely market participants are expecting that market should hold on to this particular level Not only that, it should also go high because we have seen a creation of fresh bullish position near the on a high strike prices. And now as far as my analysis goes, the 21 days exponential moving average has been acting as a good support for the market, and you could also see that from this particular level, first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and this is the sixth time this particular level has hold on to. So definitely 21 days exponential moving average has got some juice, and whenever the market comes down to this particular level, the immediate buying emerges. So one one more thing I would like to point out, that I did mention in my previous video that there will be a good candle or on a, because the level at which the market is trading, there could be only two moves were possible, either a good candle on upside or either good candle on a downside. So we have seen good gains in today's market. The candle is very huge both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now what we need to do, or what we need to rather analyze, is we need to watch the market, but specifically the technical indicators, to trade above their exponential moving average, because the problem happens whenever the market comes and trade nearest exponential moving average. So here you can also see that this particular level has, whenever the magnetic comes near its exponential moving average, it goes down. Now here it is near is zero line, there is a bullish crossover, so definitely there is a chances that market could go as high as 26,700, but there will be resistance on the high side, and the maximum upside what I'm expecting for the bank nifty is 26,700 only. However, the technical indicators have not yet confirmed the rally, because the CCI and RSI both are trading below its exponential moving average. So there could be some sort of resistance. Further, if you see this particular level right from here, you will see that this particular level around 26,573 has been acting as a good resistance for the market in the past as well. So let the market close above this particular level, and let the technical indicators breach, especially the RSI need to breach above its exponential moving average, then only we can expect a rally to continue. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family. In case if you have any doubt, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. If you would like to learn how I am generating buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out my system. You will find a detailed playlist in the description video. So that's it for today's, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.